Hello, I'm here today just to show you a few things about our new product, the hannoheatmaster. The hannoheatmaster is a retrofit energy saving device for existing oil boilers, such as this one here. It will fit on all domestic and commercial boilers, regarding the size. How it works is, normally on an average boiler you have 260 280 degrees leaving the flue, and that goes out the chimney and out to the birds. So the idea of the hannoheatmaster is that it harnesses the heat that's normally wasted. So what happens is the heat it's mounted as such there. It's put onto your manifold there. The heat goes up through it. It goes up through the pipes that's in here that's surrounded by water and out. It starts off here 260 280 degrees average, and it finishes up and leaves the manifold and exits the chimney at 35 to 40 degrees. And that 35 to 40 degrees could be after 35 minutes, maybe even up to an hour. It keeps the temperature that low. That heat is actually stored inside the unit, and it's heating water in here. That water is pumped out through the system back down into the bottom of the boiler and goes out and back into your radiators. The pipework is very simple. And the pipework starts off. This is your return line here from your radiators, which normally goes into the bottom of your boiler. But instead of going into the bottom of your boiler, we take the pipework up to the bottom of the heatmaster, and we make a connection there. Then we take a connection off the top of the heatmaster, which is the return again, back down to the bottom of the boiler. That water then flows through into the bottom of the boiler and gradually rises because it's 10 degrees hotter than the water that's returning from the radiators at this stage. So, in essence, what it does is it turns your boiler off much faster than normal because it's heating the water 10 degrees above, and saving energy and plus saving on your burner, saving electricity as well. Your manifold can be mounted low level, which is going out to the water at 90 degrees, as is this one here, or high level. We have a special manifold system for the lid here that you can bring up to the top. It can mount into a chimney. There's no problem. We use an ordinary vent here, an ordinary self-priming vent that allows the thing to self-prime. We also use a 3-bar pressure release valve here as well, just to be on the safe side, make sure that nothing happens. But simple to fit. As I said, pipework is pretty straightforward. You can service the unit from here by taking off the lid like so. And in here you'll find you've got all your turbulators, which are a patent turbulator. Nothing like them on the market as yet, or won't be, because we have the patent for this particular turbulator. And this is the whole secret to the product. The turbulators is the secret. This is what gives us the massive rise in temperature so quickly. Much better than any condenser boilers on the market. Your own existing oil boiler can be brought up to a much greater level than any condenser boiler on the market. There's nothing as good as this system designed.